This caliber normally has 3 subdials. Dial window material type Safari, domed and coated double-sided. Display type analog clasp deployment clasp. Case material titanium, case diameter 44.7 mm. Band material titanium, band color silver. Dial color skeleton dial, bezel material titanium. Number 12. Blue dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel band. Automatic movement, 300 meter water resistance. Unidirectional rotating coin edge bezel, scratch resistance Safari crystal. Number 11. Green dial enhanced by luminous bronzy hand. Silver tone stainless steel case with a brown leather band. Automatic movement. 100 meter water resistance. Unidirectional rotating bezel. Number 10. Green dial with index hour markers. Green ceramic bezel with minute scale. Stainless steel case and bracelet. Self-bending automatic movement. 300 meter water resistant. Number 9. Swiss made blue dial index hour markers. Black ceramic bezel, date feature 38-hour power reserve. Number 18. Blue dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone band. Automatic movement watch. 500 meter water resistance. Unidirectional rotating bezel watch. Number 7. Green dial enhanced by luminous bronzy cathedral style band. Bronzy case with a brown leather band. 50 meter water resistance fixed bezel watch. Number 6. Brushed stainless steel case black dial. This watch has black rubber strap. Swiss automatic movement, case diameter 44 mm. Water resistant to 100 meter.
Hi, Peter Borgats from Australia. We're thrilled to be here at Baselworld to present our fantastic Watch the Great Barrier Reef, another Oris Vert, and we'll see you around.
Number 4. Dial window material anti-reflective sphere. Display type analog clasp buckle. Case material yellow gold, case diameter 43.5 mm. Band material leather and band color blue. Dial color radiant blue, bezel material ceramic. Bezel function, rotating bezel, calendar date. I recommend this watch to everyone, please buy it. Number 3. Delminto material types ferric crystal. Display type analog, glass type buckle. Case material bronzy, case diameter 43 mm. Band material leather, band width 21 mm. Number 2. Swiss made blue dial index hour markers. Black ceramic bezel, date feature 38-hour power reserve watch. Self-winding automatic movement watch. 300-meter water resistant. Number 1. Black ceramic unidirection rotating bezel with white minute scale. Black dial, silver tone, luminous hand and indexes. Skewed on ground Swiss automatic movement watch. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos.